So you've got a pest problem. These kinds. Now what do? You don't, so maybe you try to solve the problem yourself. But then, things can get really messy. The solution to your problem is actually very simple. You just need to look for the best. You don't want to hire the wrong pest control company. And no one likes surprises. And you never want to worry about your family. With trusted consumer relations, certified business practices, expert employee training, environmental stewardship, your life back. If you've got a pest problem,
Contact us today.